continuation of part 1 microscope, compound microscope. Okay, m equal to Ig by I1 G1 into I1 G1 by Oj. This is the second equation. Therefore, substitute the m naught me in this equation. Therefore, we are getting Ig by I1 G1 means me here. This is me into I1 G1 by Oj means m naught. Therefore, this can be written as the magnifying power of compound microscope m equal to m naught into me. Let us consider this is the third equation. Now we are going to find m naught first. To find m naught. To find m naught. Now consider by two similar triangles. Two similar triangles. That is OJ O dash, OJ O dash, and I1 O dash G1, I1 O dash G1. These are the two similar triangles. OJ O dash. Second one is I1 O dash G1. The corresponding sides are equal. I1 by G1 is equal to I1 G1 by Oj is equal to, we are going to write O dash I1. O dash I1 by O dash O. Okay. Now by using sign conventions, here, O dash I1 is equal to, we are going to take this side here positive, this side here negative. O dash I1 is taken as plus V naught. O dash O equal to minus U naught. Now substitute these in above equation. We are getting therefore I1 G1 by Oj is equal to V naught by minus U naught. V naught by minus U naught, plus V naught by minus U naught. But I1 G1 by Oj nothing but I1 G1 by Oj nothing but m naught. Therefore m naught equal to, we are going to write V by modulus of minus U, that equal to, we are getting V naught by U naught. M naught we are going to get V naught by U naught. Now we are going to find the m naught, second one. To find second one, to find me. The magnifying power of eyepiece is same as the magnifying power of simple microscope. Why? Because the eyepiece behaves as a simple microscope. Therefore, from that the magnifying power of eyepiece is given by m equal to 1 plus d by Fe, where Fe is the focal length of the eyepiece. Therefore, the magnifying power, this is considered as a, okay, this can be considered as third equation, and this can be considered as a this is the fourth equation, and this is the fifth equation. Now the magnifying power of a compound microscope is, the magnifying power of a compound microscope. The magnifying power of a compound microscope is m equal to m naught into me. Therefore, from equation 4. Therefore, m equal to, what is m naught here? We are getting V naught by U naught into mu. We are getting 1 plus d by Fe. Okay, this is the magnifying power of the compound microscope. And now this can be written as here, that by using sign conventions, U naught, which is approximately equal to minus F naught, and V naught, which is approximately equal to capital L. Why? Because the object is at the near point. U naught approximately minus F naught and V naught approximately equal to capital L, where capital L is the length of the microscope tube. That is the length of the microscope tube. Therefore, substitute in the above equation. We are getting m equal to V naught means L, which is approximately equal to L by U naught is minus F naught into 1 plus d by fe. D by fe. Therefore, which is we are going to write minus L by f naught into 1 plus d by fe. D by fe. When the image is formed at the near point. Suppose if the image is formed at the infinity. Suppose if the image is formed at infinity. The image, which image? Final image. The final image is formed at infinity. Means that is nothing but far point. And the image is formed at infinity. That is nothing but far point. Then we are going to write m equal to v naught by u naught into d by fe. We are going to write m equal to v naught by u naught into, if this is near point, that is 1 plus d by f, and his image is forms at the far point, m equal to v naught by u naught into d by fe. This is also another formula. And now this formula can be written as like this: m equal to minus L by f naught into d by fe in terms of length of the microscope. In terms of the length of the microscope, the magnifying power of compound microscope m is which is approximately equal to minus L by f naught into d by fe when the image is forms at the far point, that is infinity. Here the m is approximately equal to minus L by f naught into 1 plus d by fe. This is when the image is forms at the near point. Okay. Thank you for watching. If any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.